All right, that was my Sara Lee classic pound cake that you can get in the freezer section. I'm gonna go ahead and bring in a 9 by 13 dish, and we're gonna place our entire loaf right on the bottom of our dish. Beautiful, it looks so good and it smells amazing. Go ahead and kind of just make sure we have a flat layer, that every bite will get a little bit of that delicious pre-made cake. Ew, I cannot wait to eat this. Yummy, that looks good enough. Now I'm coming in with my favorite ingredient, the cheesecake no-bake. You can obviously make your own if you can't find it. We have a little spooky spatula to help us spread out our delicious cheesecake. But if you can't find this, all you need is some cream cheese, some powdered sugar, and some vanilla, and you can have your own no-bake cheesecake put together in seconds. But we're using that whole container of the no-bake, and we're gonna spread that on top of our cake, and this is gonna give some great moisture to that cake and obviously some great flavor. Who doesn't love pound cake and cheesecake? Yum! All right, that looks perfect. Now we're putting a fall twist on this. So we're gonna add our pumpkin pie mix. So this is the pie mix. It's not the pure pumpkin, so it does have some pumpkin spice in it and a little bit of sugar in it. And we're gonna use that whole can of the pumpkin pie mix, and we're gonna make sure we get all of that out. We have another spooky spatula to help us. Now, obviously, I am making this as a Halloween dessert, but this would be great for Thanksgiving, great for Christmas, great for the whole holiday season. And we're gonna make sure that we spread that out. This is gonna add some more moisture, some more flavor. It's gonna be the best no-bake pumpkin dessert that you'll ever try.
Smells like fall.
Oh yeah, fall all along. All right, make sure that's spread across the way. Beautiful. All right, last but certainly not least, we have our extra creamy Cool Whip, and we're gonna use this whole 8 ounces of Cool Whip and put it right on top of our pumpkin. And we're gonna make sure.
Spooky spatula?
Oh yeah, I pulled out all of the spatulas. We're gonna go ahead and get that whole entire thing right on top. Now, obviously I use the pumpkin pie mix, but I've done this recipe with strawberry pie, apple pie, blueberry, but this time, obviously with Halloween coming up, I thought pumpkin was appropriate. So we're gonna go ahead and spread out our extra creamy Cool Whip from edge to edge, making sure that our pumpkin pie mix gets completely covered. Yum. All right, this looks absolutely perfect, but I kind of want it to look a little bit more festive. So I am gonna sprinkle my pumpkin pie spice. This is optional. You could do like some nuts on top. You could do some cinnamon. You could do some caramel. You could top this with whatever you want, but I think pumpkin pie spice is perfect for the occasion. All right, now this is ready. We're gonna put this in the fridge for about 2 hours to let everything get nice and soaked in. Oh my, I cannot wait to dig into our pumpkin trifle. All right. Just kind of.
Oh, that creamy Cool Whip, so fluffy.
Extra creamy. Look at that.
Oh.
Looks so good.
Wow.
Yum. No, it's a trifle. It's not meant to be, perfect and pretty and clean. I'm gonna go grab that piece that fell out of my spatula. And it's time to give this a try. Pumpkin, cheesecake, Cool Whip, pound cake. I can't wait.
Oh, it looks delicious. Is it good?
That is so good. Wow. You guys are gonna love it.